Hello, guys. So, today we are going to review the collection of novels written by Robert Louis Stevenson. So, Robert Louis Stevenson or R.L. Stevenson had written many novels. He was a Scottish writer and he had written novels like Treasure Island, which is one of his most famous work. Then Prince Otto, Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, which is also very famous. Kidnapped, The Black Arrow, The Master of Ballantrae, and David Balfour. So these novels were written by R.L. Stevenson, and these are seven novels. So all the seven novels are present in this book. So this book is a leather-bound book. All these covers and back covers are leather, and this is the spine of the book. You can see Robert Louis Stevenson, the whole novels written by him, and there is a ship's wheel here, and this is CC. CC stands for Canterbury Classics. Canterbury Classics. So Canterbury Classics is a publisher from US, and they have other books also in the series, other leather bound books, which all follow the same format. Like they have this beautiful cover, this picture in the cover, and this writer's name here, the list of the works here, and the logo here. And in the back you can see a compass dial here. So the theme of this cover is Treasure Island, and the treasure map is here. So Treasure Island is his most famous work, so that's why it is this way. So this is the front, and these are the um, front covers. Okay. Again, the ship theme is because of Treasure Island, and so it has got all the novels written by him, and it comes with a good bookmark also. This uh, light blue bookmark, and the written things here. So this is a very big book, and it is about how many pages? Let me see. Uh, it is about 912 pages. Okay, 912 pages, and these pages are big, and the font is also small, and there are no gaps between the lines. Okay, there are not much gap. So this is a very big book, and as it contains seven novels, so this is a very big book. And these are, again, the back cover is the same ship theme here, and this is the back of the novel. This is Canterbury Classic, and Canterbury Classic is uh, from San Diego, and um, so these are also imported books. So these books are not easy to come by. I got it from Amazon, and this is not an Indian book, this is an US book, imported one. So so it's a bit costly, and yeah. So yes, that's about it. Thanks.